Yeah, my house smells like an Italian cucina. So this is my 4-cheese lasagna. Just pulling it out of the oven. There we go. Hoorah! Hoorah! Look at that. Look at that. I don't think it gets any better than that. Awesome. Buon appetito. So here's my do-it-yourself lasagna. I was actually stationed in Italy for several years. And one of the areas that I loved the most was the Amalfi Coast. You know, Naples, Rome, and Sorrento. Some of the best food on the economy can be found there in the world. I cannot make this up. So my quest has always been to try to make lasagna similar to the way I had it in Italy. This is more of a Sicilian style lasagna with ground beef. I don't add olives and sausage. That's the only difference, but I use all of the same ingredients that I can find here in my lasagna. And you know, it's not authentic Italian, but it's pretty darn close, and it'll just melt in your mouth. So a lot of ricotta cheese, Parmesan, mozzarella, and one thing I did use was Butterkäse, German. It's a very, very creamy cheese. And of course, olive oil, oregano, basil. But no Bechemel sauce on here. You don't really need it with the Butterkäse German cheese. But this will definitely kill your waistline. Kind of a comfort food, but man, delicioso. Grazie. Molto importante parlare italiano tutti i giorni. Grazie per la visione. Ciao, arrivederci.